How's it going, reinventors? Happy Vlogmas. This is the days leading up to December 25th. And in this video series, I'm going to be bringing you 25 things to do after you retire. I'm Amelia. This is Reinventing You. This channel is all about inspiring you so that you can reinvent your life. I want you to live a life of joy, fulfillment, and purpose. I normally post twice a week, but in this instance, during Vlogmas, I'll be posting every day. I'm glad that you are here. I retired early from the ministry after 20 years, but it doesn't matter what age you retire. You are probably looking for what are you going to spend your time doing after you have retired, and I want to help you out through my own experience. If you are interested, please subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click on the bell. That way you'll be notified when I post new videos. This video is for the 18th day of Vlogmas. Now here at number 18, we're going to get a little bit more serious because a lot of the things that I think I've talked about may sound kind of frivolous or lighthearted or assume that you have enough income coming in to support you. But it may not be the case. If you were somehow forced to retire early because of the pandemic, you may have lost some investments or some future earnings that you were hoping to add to your Social Security, or you lost some retirement income you were hoping to get from your employer. So now you're forced with making some huge decisions. So one of the things that you may have to do in retirement is make some money. And actually, I think that's really important for anybody. You don't have to make $1 million, but just make a little bit of money. Now, in my situation, because I retired early, I could have gotten like a little tiny check, but it really was more beneficial for me to leave my money in and continue to invest it until I turned 62, 65, 66, 78. I don't know what it is, what my retirement age is going to be, but anyway. So I had to find a part-time job, and I found something that I love because I love fair trade. It's something that I've really enjoyed. Now, being a salesperson was a huge out-of-the-box experience for me, and I'm still, learning how to do that and learning how to be a salesperson. But it really has helped us financially in our household, and it made me feel good. It feels like, well, I'm contributing. I'm making a little bit of money. I'm never going to, it's not a whole lot of money, but it really makes me feel good about myself. It continues to help me to feel accomplished. If you have to make money, you've got to get some money to have money on the table, then this is the time to figure out what is it I really want to do that's going to help me, help my family, bring some money in, but yet make the most of my retirement. So spend some time thinking about that, have it as part of your plan, and do your best to make some money. I hope you've enjoyed this video. In the comments below, let me know what you would suggest doing when you retire or when somebody else retires, or what you hope to do when you retire. And if this video has been helpful for you, guess what? I want you to give me a thumbs up. See you in the next video. Have a great one.